Okay.
Hi everybody, I'm Susan from LV & More, and I have a quick unboxing. I received this today from Rogers, so let's go ahead and see what I got. If you're new to my channel, welcome in. Please like and subscribe, I appreciate that. And if you're returning, thanks so much for your support. So let's go ahead and figure it out. Got my blade. Alright, let's see what I got from Rogers here. My husband got his iPad today, so he's pretty excited about that. He set that all up and he's a happy camper.
I only got 3 of them.
I know, you're funny. Alright. There's that. Debris. Alright, I got my new iPhone XR, and it is 64 KB, and it's in the red, and a partial amount goes to charity. So I got they have different colors, but I got the red one just for a change. So I'll be setting that up, and they give you an extra SIM card. I guess if you damage your other card, then you have it. So that's cool. So I'll stick that in the box there. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so it comes in like a protective cover. Okay, so I guess you don't really need a blade for that. There's the box. Alright, let's see what we got here. Yeah, it's a nice box though. It's pretty sturdy. iPhone. Here's all the documents. Oh, okay. This is really pretty. Look at this. Alright. And it's red in the back.
Oh yeah. Wow.
What do you think of that one, baby cakes?
It's nice. Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, that is cool.
Can you order me one? Give me a blue on blue boy.
And these are the headphones that come with it. And you get a charging, and then you get like a little adapter. Alright, well that's cool. So I'll be setting this up a little bit later. I'm waiting for my OtterBox case to come from eBay. I got a Defender model, and I'm also waiting for my transfer cable so I can transfer all my stuff from my iPhone 6 Plus to my iPhone XR, and let's see what the comparison is approximately. Okay, it's almost the same size, but it does give you more space. Okay, see, see, this is the difference that they have now. Let me see if I can try to. Alright, kind of slippery. Alright, yeah, see the difference? Here's the actual, it's more like a rimless top, I guess. See, it's not really like this one has like a frame. See the difference? This one like has a frame, even though it's in the OtterBox case. But this one is all viewed at 6.5. So that's what the guy was trying to explain. All right, and that's the back. And if you guys want any reviews on the XR, let me know in the comments below. And when I get it all set up and get the case and all that fun stuff together, I'll be more than happy to give you a review. Yeah, it's a real pretty red too. It's really shiny. Alright, that's my unboxing for today. I hope everybody's having a great week. I'll look forward to some of my unboxings and my leather surgeon process. That won't be for a while. And until next time, thanks for watching LVM More. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.